What up? We are going to install a USB charger on our Ninja 400. The USB charger I use in this video has one USB-C port and one USB-A port. The USB-C port I chose because it charges much faster than the USB-A port, so that is really good and really handy. You will need it in case of emergency, so the USB-C port is perfect for that. We are gonna cover the steps in a bit, but the first question I think is necessary to ask is it a necessary upgrade? In my opinion, yes. Why? Because it costs nothing. It costs about $20–30. You won't need it every day, but when you do, you will be thankful that you installed the USB charger. Maybe you do long rides and go on adventure trips, so when you need it, it will come in really handy. So the things you will be needing: the USB charger, the male relay 4 pins, the cable plus minus of the USB charger, and a ratchet with a Phillips screw head to unscrew the plastic piece of the stock place for the USB charger. It's important that you plug the correct cables into the correct connectors. The red cable goes to the plus, and if you have a black cable it goes to the minus, but I have a blue cable, so that one goes to the minus. Remember, this plastic screw you see here is very important. Don't lose it, so keep an eye on it. It's important to screw on the USB charger. You see a metal hook here. We need to plug the male into the female relay of the Ninja 400 and then plug it onto the metal hook. This is the female. This is the plastic piece that goes over the male relay. So this is what it looks like if you have plugged the male into the female relay. The metal hook was honestly a bit difficult, so I just got a tie rip and tie ripped it to the metal hook. It was really stressful, so I don't want to do any of that. Now step 3 is to unscrew the stock plastic piece where we are gonna install the USB charger. And to unscrew the plastic piece, you have to get rid of this one. This plastic piece holds a cable, so you can have room to get the plastic piece off with your ratchet. You have to take off the plastic piece you saw. You have to get creative with how you unscrew that one. This is what it looks like if you have unscrewed it. Now step 4 is to screw in the USB charger. First take off the plastic screw. Put the cables in. Angle the USB charger correctly. Now you can put the plastic screw back on the cables from underneath. And now screw the plastic screw on the USB charger so it stays in place. Now you have installed it. Now the last step is to connect the cables of the USB to the stock Ninja 400 cables. These are both male and female, so plug the male into the female and female into the male. This is what it looks like if you have installed it. And these are the results. You see your battery voltage on the USB charger. Now we're gonna test if the USB charger is working, of course. Plug in your USB-C cable or USB-A cable, first in the USB charger, and then connect it to your phone and see if it explodes. Nah, it charges. Enjoy your phone charger, your USB charger, and I'll see you at the next video. Ciao!